Have you ever called a business and gotten that automated message directing you to press 1 for sales, 2 for customer service? That smooth, cloud-based phone system you just interacted with? There's a good chance it's powered by RingCentral. RingCentral isn't a household name just yet, but they're a rapidly growing tech company that's quietly transforming how businesses communicate. But how big are they exactly? What chunk of the market do they control? Let's dive in and see just how much market share RingCentral has carved out for itself. Understanding the unified communications market. Before we talk RingCentral, let's talk unified communications, UC. UC is basically the all-in-one toolbox for business communication. It takes all your separate communication channels, phones, video conferencing, messaging, and integrates them into a single platform. Think of it as the conductor of your communication orchestra, making sure all the instruments play in harmony. The UC market is booming. Businesses are ditching the clunky, outdated phone systems of the past and embracing the flexibility and scalability of cloud-based solutions. Research firm Gartner predicts the UCaaS, Unified Communications as a Service market, will hit a whopping $65 billion by 2025. That's a massive pie, and several players are vying for a slice. RingCentral's ring around the market. So, how big is RingCentral's slice? Here's where things get interesting. Market share can be tricky to nail down because different research firms use different methodologies. But according to Synergy Research Group, a leading telecom market research firm, RingCentral held the number 2 spot in the global UCaaS market share in 2023, with a cool 17.9%. That's a significant chunk of the pie, but who's number 1? The big gorilla in the room is Cisco with a market share of around 22.3%. Cisco has been a powerhouse in communication solutions for decades, so it's no surprise they're a tough competitor. Here's where it gets even more interesting. While Cisco might have the top spot for now, RingCentral is growing at a much faster rate. According to IDC, another big name in market research, RingCentral's UCaaS revenue grew a whopping 38.4% year-over-year in 2023. That's compared to Cisco's growth rate of just 6.8%. Why the rapid rise? RingCentral's secret sauce. So what's fueling RingCentral's rocket ride? There are a few key ingredients in their secret sauce. Focus on the cloud. RingCentral is all in on the cloud. Their entire platform is cloud-based, which means it's easy to set up, use, and scale. No need for expensive hardware or complex IT configurations. User-friendly interface. Let's face it, some communication platforms can be a nightmare to navigate. RingCentral is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Even non-tech-savvy users can get up and running quickly. Scalability. A one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work in today's business world. RingCentral's platform scales seamlessly to fit the needs of businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Openness and integrations. RingCentral plays well with others. Their platform integrates with a wide range of popular business applications, making it easy to streamline workflows and boost productivity. While the UCaaS market is still young, it's clear that RingCentral is a force to be reckoned with. Their focus on cloud, user-friendliness, and scalability is resonating with businesses of all sizes. Here are some things to keep an eye on as the UCaaS market continues to evolve. Consolidation. The UCaaS market is still quite fragmented. Expect to see some mergers and acquisitions as companies jockey for position. Security. As businesses move more of their communication to the cloud, security will become an even bigger priority. RingCentral and all UCaaS providers will need to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to cybersecurity. Emerging technologies. New technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) are starting to make their way into UCaaS platforms. Expect to see RingCentral and other providers leverage these technologies to create even smarter and more powerful communication solutions. While market share paints a broad picture, it's important to consider the bigger picture. RingCentral's strong market share indicates their position as a major player in the cloud communication space. However, the true test lies in their ability to keep innovating, delivering exceptional customer service, and catering to the specific needs of businesses.